Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page in GetResponse. First, log in to your GetResponse account. Then, locate the Tools menu at the top and click on Landing Pages. This is your starting point for building effective web pages. You can choose from over 100 professionally designed templates, or if you prefer, start with a blank canvas to fully customize your design. This flexibility allows you to perfectly match your brand. Now, let's dive into designing your page. GetResponse offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You can easily add text blocks, images, videos, and various forms to capture visitor information. Customizing colors, fonts, and backgrounds is straightforward, ensuring your page perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to check the mobile view. A responsive design is crucial for reaching all your potential customers, whether they are on a phone or a desktop. A key component of any landing page is its ability to capture leads. GetResponse allows you to easily integrate sign-up forms directly onto your page. These forms can be linked to specific email marketing lists, ensuring new subscribers are automatically added to the correct campaigns. Furthermore, you can connect your page with various analytics tools. This helps you track important metrics like conversion rates and visitor engagement, providing valuable insights to optimize your future efforts. Once your landing page is perfect, it's time to publish it. You can choose to use a custom domain or a GetResponse subdomain. Before going live, consider using GetResponse's /B testing features. This allows you to test two different versions of your page to see which performs better, potentially increasing your conversion rates by 10 to 20%. Continuously monitor your page's performance and make data-driven adjustments to ensure it achieves its maximum potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.